Good morning once again. In the last classes, we have done exercise 9.1 of algebraic expressions, where we learned how to find the addition, the subtraction. Prisha, again you are saying the same thing. Others, please confirm. Prisha is saying, my voice is glitching. Please confirm. Then we learned how to subtract. Prisha, they are saying everything is fine. Please check. I think you should contact your internet operator. He will help you. Okay. Now see, today's topic is multiplication. I think we have not started it now. Multiplication class. Have we started the topic multiplication? Have we started? No. So the new topic is multiplication. This chapter is very easy. Multiplication of algebraic expressions. Only addition subtraction we have done. Okay. Algebraic expressions. Let's see now. Now, suppose we have seen simple numbers multiplication like 4 into 9. So right, tried multiplication, but binomial multiplication was difficult. Harshul, it is not difficult, beta. Let me make it easy for you. No issue. Let's see. So we have seen if there are 3 rows and there are, sir, her network is not good. She was having a problem in Deepti ma'am class also. Okay. Thank you, Mayank, for telling me. Prisha, work with it, beta. 4 columns. Class, we have done these questions earlier also. If you have 4 columns and 3 rows, how many, what you say, seats you have in the classroom? If you have 3 rows in a classroom and 4 columns, how many seats do you have? Please tell me. Class, please tell me. If there are 3 rows and 4 columns, we have 3 into 4, that is 12 seats. Right now what happened is, these were like terms. Class, these were like terms, so they got multiplied very easily. They both are normal numbers, that's why they got multiplied. If I take like this, if there are m rows and m column, if there are equal number of rows, equal number of columns, and they both are m, so what do we say? How many seats are there? Class, please tell me. Harshul came with the correct answer. Vardhan, you are wrong. Please check your answer. Vardhan, you are wrong. Harshul correct. Ananya correct. Hiteshri correct. Smridhi correct. Sakshi wrong. Abhinav correct. Yash correct. Rudra correct. Joel correct. Vardhan now correct. Abhinav is already correct. Soham is saying 16. Beta Soham, from where you got 16, beta? In this world of m, from where you got these numbers, beta? Please check. Okay, Yashna is saying 12. Yashna, from where you got 12 right now? We have m number of rows, we have m number of columns. That means the product is m square. When same numbers multiply, their powers get added. We have learned this thing in exponent and powers. So Sakshi, earlier you were saying it is 2m. 2m will come when you add these two. Class, 2m will come when you add these two. M square will come when you multiply these two. So don't get confused with these things. Now, why we got m square? Because these were like terms. These were like terms. Okay, Kirti, no issue, beta. These were like terms. That's why we got m square. In case they were not like terms like this, suppose we had m rows and n columns. In that case, what will we get? They are not like terms. Can you multiply them? Yes, we can multiply them, but we will not get anything. We will just get a simple mn. That's it. Simple mn. So we can multiply them, but we get simple mn. They cannot meet. Harshul mn square? How? Oh, beta Harshul, what happened? Why mn square? From where you got that? By mistake. Okay. By mistake, then it is fine. Because mistake only takes marks, na? No issue. Now, let us take some example of multiplication now. Multiplying a monomial by a monomial. We have already seen. This was a multiplication of monomial by monomial. Do you agree with me? This was a multiplication of monomial by monomial. Do you agree? Class, do you agree with this? Yes, because we have only one term m, we have only one term n, both are monomials, we multiplied them and we got m into n. Now let me give you some more examples. Suppose you have now find this example, 5x multiplied with 5x cube. Again, we are doing the same method, multiplying monomial by a monomial. Tell me the answer. First, you have to see the like terms. See the like terms and you'll get the answer. The constants will multiply, the variables will multiply, and you will get the answer. I think we got the answers. Okay, 25x power 4, Vaibhav Gulati. No, beta, we are not taking 5 as common. 5 is also getting multiplied, beta. Dev Datta, you were not yesterday present in the class. Dev, I'm not happy with your performance in examination, beta. Try to work hard. Rachit is correct. Kirti, beta, again a mistake. Just mistake. Rachit is correct. Vansh is correct. Smriddhi is correct. Rachit. Okay. Now see. So what will happen is we will write the like terms together, 5 into 5 into x cube. Now what will happen? This 5 and 5 are same base. Power will add. You can go by that way, or simply 5 into 5 is 25. No issue. And x are same bases. Power of this x is how much? 1. Class, if you observe, power of this x is 1. So power will add, it becomes x power 4. The answer is 25 x power 4. Now I'm giving you the other question. Please try this one. It is correct. Just now it's fine. Joel, beta, please see mistake you are doing right now. Class, now please help me with this one. 2pq multiplied with 7pqr. Tell me the answer of these two monomial product fast. I hope you will go step by step and give me the correct answer only. Just gave the answer, but little bit better hurry. You are in hurry. Please correct it again. Just correct the answer. Little mistake is there. Yuvraj is correct. Harshul is correct. Smriddhi, some mistake is there, beta. Please correct it. Hiteshri is correct. So Samarth of class 8th is not connected to the audio. Okay, Samarth, please connect to the audio, beta. See the that headphone option. Click on that. Abhinav is correct. Joel is correct. Srishti is correct. Rachit, what are you doing, beta? 2 plus 7 you are doing. It is multiplying. Rachit. Vaibhav saying 14 p square q square. Good, beta. Sakshi, good. Joel correct. Abhinav correct. Rudra correct. Rachit. 1 t p square q square. Beta, 1 from where you got 1, beta? Acha, you forgot to write that 14. I think Krishna, you forgot to write 14. Okay, now see. Rachit gave the right answer now. So actually Rachit did what? He added 2 and 7. You cannot add like this, na? It is multiplying. So 2 into 7 will give you 14. P into P is giving you P square. Q into Q will give you Q square. And R into nothing is R only. So the answer is 14 P square Q square R. That's it. I think we are ready now for any question of monomial multiplication. Now I want to give you a monomial into binomial. Are you ready for that? Please tell me. Are you ready for that? Monomial into binomial? Yes. So now see the next example. And the question is here. Suppose I take 3xyz multiplied with 2x plus 3y. So I am multiplying a monomial with a binomial. Give me the answer fast. Give me the answer. Use the distributive property. It is very easy. Use the distributive property. It's very easy. I think some answer came. No answer came till now. Okay, take your time. Find it easily. Okay, Harshul is saying 3x square, 3y square, 3x square, 3. Once again, Harshul is saying 6x square, 3y square, z. Beta wrong. Krishna is wrong. Okay, you all are doing one mistake, beta. You all are doing one mistake. I told you. Okay, now it came. Krishna gave the answer. Okay, 6x square yz plus 9x y square z. Joel also gave the same answer. Kushi, beta wrong. Dev 6x square yz plus. Okay. Abhinav correct. Now you have to understand we are going for monomial into binomial. So we will go for the property known as distributive property. We have learned A into B plus C is very simple. A into B plus A into C. In similar way, you will multiply this term in this thing, then a plus sign will come, then you multiply this thing into this thing and you will get the answer. So let's see. Vansh, good beta. Correct. Now see class, without any delay, let me start the calculation. So we have what? We have 3xyz, the first term getting multiplied with the first term in bracket, that is 2x. Then we have a plus sign. Again, we have the first term 3xyz multiplying with the second term. Till this point, anyone having any issues, please ask. I have just used distributive property, which says you have to multiply this term with both the terms. Till this point, any issue, please ask. Krishna one, please let him in. Okay, Divanshu. What second, beta? Let me see. Whoso are in this? Shaurya Lalit, Edwin, Rahil. Okay. Now, class, now see, if you multiply these two, okay, Smriddhi, yours is correct, then that is good. But I think you haven't used this plus sign. Smriddhi, as far as I remember, your answer didn't have this plus sign. That's why it was wrong. Okay, and Teshri, you are also going the wrong way. I will tell you why. Sir, can we see the waiting room? But I've already seen. Now Smriddhi, you are correct. Smriddhi, now you are correct, beta. Please see, 3 into 2 will give you 6. X into x will give you x square. Y and z will remain as it is. Then we have plus sign. 3 3s are 9. X, y square, z. This is the answer. We cannot add them, class. We cannot add them right now. Why? Tell me the reason. Why we cannot add them? Please tell me the reason. Why we cannot add them? Please tell me the reason. Because they are unlike terms. Very good, Harshul, Joel, and Yashna. They are unlike terms. Now I will give you one more question. Okay, so the next question is an application of this concept. Suppose you have a rectangle. Suppose you have a rectangle. Example, you have a rectangle of length is equal to 2l square m, and you have the breadth is equal to 3lm square. Tell me the area of this. Tell me the area of this rectangle. Fast. Area of this rectangle. Fast. 6 L cube M cube by Weber Gulati. Okay. Vardhan is saying same thing. Harshul saying same thing. Rachit, from where you got square, beta? Rachit, check it fast. Krishna, correct. Yuvraj, correct. Hiteshri, correct. Abhinav, correct. Joel, okay. Yashna, okay. Okay. So you all are getting now. So it is simple length into breadth. Put the values. It is 2L square m multiplied with 3LM square. Now solve it. 2 3s are 6. L square into L will give you. Arey, Smriddhi, from where you got this plus sign right now? Simple multiplication it is, beta. It is only monomial to monomial. You will not get plus sign in this case. Smriddhi, you are confusing somewhere, beta. You will not get plus sign. Okay. So 2 3s are 6. L square into L will give you L cube. M into M square will give you M cube. Smriddhi, for your confusion, I am giving you one more question. Smriddhi, yes. For your confusion, I am giving you one more question. Please find the perimeter of this rectangle. Please find the perimeter of this. Then your confusion will be over. Please find the perimeter of this. Please find the perimeter of this rectangle. Okay, try to find. Okay. Harshul is saying 2 5 L cube M cube. I think you are wrong, beta Harshul. You are wrong. Rachit is saying 2 L square M plus 3 LM square. Na perimeter, beta perimeter. Vaibhav wrong, beta. It is not the perimeter. Perimeter is sum of all the sides. You just have to add all the sides. No, Joel. Yes, you cannot add them. Only the light terms will be added. 2 lengths will be added. 2 breadths will be added. That's it. Srishti is correct. Srishti is correct. Now Smriti is saying my voice is not coming. Class, please confirm. Abhinav is correct. Rachit is correct now. Vaibhav is wrong right now. Vaibhav, beta, you are wrong. You have to add these. Vaibhav, you have to add all the sides. When you are adding, you have to see whether they are like terms or not. If they are like terms, they will be added. If not, they will not. Harshul could now, correct? One mistake is there, Harshul. Giriraj, mistake, beta, mistake. Now see, please see what is the mistake. Please see, we know the perimeter is given by twice length plus breadth. Let me write now, what is the length? Length is 2L square M plus 3LM square. Now, as per the rule of distributive property, I will multiply this 2 over here, then a plus sign will come, then I will multiply this 2 with this thing. That's it. Now, multiply this 2 into 2L square M plus sign, then again 2 into 3L M square. What will we get? We will get 4L square M plus 6LM square. What was the issue in this? Why you were multiplying these? Simple addition it is. Class, don't get confused. Be very much clear about the thoughts you are having. Okay? So let us take some more examples to make it clear. Harshul is saying after this he got 10 L cube M cube. Beta, wrong. Class, please check. Is this correct? Can you add these and get this thing? Class, please help Harshul to understand. Can we get this? No, we cannot get this. These are unlike terms. But Harshul, what you are doing is you are adding 4 and 6. Very good. You got 10. And then you are multiplying L square M and LM square. It is not like this. You cannot do anything like you want. You cannot add them. They are unlike terms. This is wrong, Harshul. This is wrong. Okay? These are unlike terms. Now do one more question for me. Yes, beta. Joel, you are correct. Now try one more question. This time we have a 3D figure, a cuboid. I hope you all remember the formulas of cuboid. In this cuboid, we have the length as 2ax. No. Let me take the other one. 1 second. The length is m square n. The breadth is n square p, and the height is mn. Please tell me what is the answer of volume. What is volume of this? In this question, we are going to multiply 3 monomials at a time. Please tell me the answer. Volume of this cuboid. Come up with the answers, but do it carefully. M cube, n cube, p. Okay, answer came from Joel. Srishti is saying m cube n4, m cube n4p. Okay, Srishti, it is wrong. Kirti correct, Harshul correct, Rachit correct. It is very easy. One wrong, beta. Now Mayank is saying voice is not coming. Class, please correct it, beta. Why raised to power 4, Krishna? Why raised to power 4? I'm not. Okay. Sorry. Those who are saying raised to power 4, they are correct, and those who are saying n power cube, they are wrong. Sorry. I didn't see that. Actually, others made the wrong one. Rachit, better you also have to correct it. Now, please see the volume is given by length into breadth into height. Let me write the length. It is m square n. Let me write the breadth. It is n square p. Let me write the height. It is mn. They all are multiplying. I can write the like terms together. M square into m into n square into n into n. Then we have p. This is the final term. And if you see, the base is same, power will add, it becomes m cube. Here also the bases are same, class C. The bases of n are same, power is 2, 1, 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, n power 4 and p. This is the volume. Now I think it is clear to everyone. Yes, class? I think it is clear to everyone now. Yes. So, can I expect from you that you will try the questions from your side? Although you have the activity to do, that is why I have not given you much questions. I have gave you only one question in homework because the activity is more important today. So, sir, you can believe us. Okay. So go for the activity first. When you get time, you can solve the questions also. Okay. Now let me stop this so that we can have some discussion.